Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing a fantastic anti-theft security safety brake wheel disc lock for my Bullet Standard 350. This lock is not just any ordinary lock, it's highly durable, incredibly strong, and almost unbreakable. And the best part? I got it for only $1,000. Stick around to see why this is the best lock for your bike. Let's dive right into the unboxing. As you can see, the packaging is simple and compact, making it easy to store almost anywhere. Inside, we have the lock itself and two keys. The U-shaped design is perfect for securing the brake disc. Now, let's see how easy it is to install this lock on my Bullet 350. Let's talk about why this lock is so impressive. Unbreakable. It's made of premium quality materials that are tough to break. Lightweight, despite being strong, and not need to carry around, it's already attached to the bike. Highly durable and sturdy, built to last and withstand any attempts at theft. This lock is much stronger than typical disc locks, providing enhanced security for your bike. I highly recommend this lock to anyone looking for a reliable and secure way to protect their bike. It's perfect for traveling and ensures your bike stays safe wherever you go. To using this lock, insert the U-shaped rod through the wheel of bike, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll drop the link to purchase this lock in the description below for your convenience.